and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Marquila Terrence, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today we will be trying on some cute ASS costumes that I found on Shein. I'm so excited to try on all these costumes. I found so many costumes under $20. That's this you can be rocking this year. But before we jump right into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so this is the first costume. As a cheerleader, you know, let's go Toros. I really like this. I think it kind of fit a little bit. It's not big, but it's not like, it's not tight. Like, it's super loose. I love the pom-poms. The pom-poms came with it. It was like, I thought it was gonna be sold separately, but it's real cute, you know, that little poking, you know. I used to be a cheerleader in high school, so that's what made me try this. But if I could rate this, I think this would be a cute, this would be like an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8. Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Like, this is a cute idea for you if you wanted to be a cheerleader. I'm going to show what the costume looked like. I'm going to put pictures of all the costumes. But I like this one. I'm going to give this one an 8. I think this one is really, really cute. And if you're in the spirit of being a cheerleader for Halloween, I definitely think that you guys should try this outfit. Pom-poms. The pom-poms down. But yes. Super cute, super flexible. It's not tight or anything. I love the spirit. Like, it's super cute. I definitely want to give this one like an 8. So let's go ahead and get to the next one. This outfit is so tight. I got the wrong size. Don't laugh at the hat because I really don't know what's going on. But from the side, it's cute. Miss Officer, you want me to arrest you? I know. I'm gonna rate this one a 5. If I was to turn around and show y'all, my butt is out. But I'm gonna be respectful. I'm gonna show y'all the front. I love the fact that the hat and the badge and the cuffs, they all came together. The belt is on the thinner side, and I'm a little more, you know. So I wish the belt was a little bit more thicker. The fabric on the dress is really good. I love the leather collars and like the leather sleeve part. I would have to give this one, like, I love the concept. The hat was giving me a hard time, but it's still a very super cute costume. Like, I always wanted to be a police officer, but I could never find like the real cute ones. I wanted to try to get a short set for this, but they didn't have any, so I was like, let me go ahead and try the dress. I don't know what size I got or what size I thought I got, but I should have got a size up. But I love the concept. This one's gonna have to be a 7 for me. But like with the ponytail and everything, had my ponytail been lower, the hat probably sat a little bit better. But I'm still gonna give this outfit a 7. Like, it's still cute. You know, I'm gonna do a little side view because I can't give y'all a whole view because it's a lot of air. It's a lot of air. I'll go ahead and move it right along. I think I'm supposed to be a soldier or a safari instructor. I'm not sure. It's definitely giving me safari instructor. I like this outfit. I like the hat. You know, I love the army fatigue and the gloves. I don't know, it's kind of giving me like safari inspector, safari assistant, but I think I'm supposed to be here with it, right? I don't know. I like the material. I like the simplicity of it. I love the fact that it is shorts. My butt is fully covered. You know, I don't have to worry about hanging out in the backside or nothing like that. But I really like this. I have to give this one a 9. I love the fact that the hat came together, the gloves came together, the material, everything was easy to put on. I didn't have to go through anything crazy. Yeah, this is under $20. I'll list the picture and the price as well. So, you know, if it's a little over $20, it's under $30. So, I really like this. Material is good. It's hugging me. I feel comfortable. I feel like this is another outfit that I could wear. Some thigh-high boots. I really am rocking with Shein's costumes. So we gotta go ahead and continue to go through these. I think this one is like one of my favorite ones. So, but we're about to go ahead and get into the other costume. At ease, sailor. I didn't know I was a sailor at first, y'all. I thought I was a nurse. And then I had to go look on the website and figure out, I don't think I'm a sailor. I mean, I don't think I'm a nurse. I think I'm a sailor. So I had to go look it up. But yes, I am a sailor. I really like the outfit, but I kind of wish it fit a little different. I'm not really sure what size I actually got in this, but I might have to rate this one a clean 6. So the only reason why I have to do that is because the outfit that I seen, the color was burgundy. Like the whole outfit was burgundy. Like the stripes and the stripe in the hat, everything was burgundy. Like I love how the shorts are. It's like super cute. However, they're a little tight. They're a little tight for your girl. But that was my fault because I thought that it was gonna fit like regular me. So that's on me. But I kind of wish that my stripes on this was burgundy, like the pants, and like the burgundy strip like on the hat too. Other than that, it's super cute. I love how simple it is. It was easy for me to put on. There is a zipper on the back for me to go ahead and like dip it up, but I really didn't have to do that. It's kind of stretchy, but it's a little tight once you kind of get all in there, you know what I mean? But I do have to rate this one a 6. So we're gonna go ahead and get off this ship and we're gonna go ahead and get on another. So we're gonna go ahead and see what our next costume is talking about. I think this is so stinking cute. This might have to be a 10. This is so sexy and so cute. I love it. I love like the little like bracelets. I love the headband, and the outfit is so cute. I love that the apron kind of already came on the dress. It's super cute. And then like, you know, they came with other accessories as well. All of the costumes are under $20. So the fact that all of this stuff kind of came together still blows my mind. I really love how they actually package some stuff together and that you didn't have to like buy it separately. But honey, I think I might have to be a maid for Halloween. Like, I can clean it up. I can get a squeaky clean. Like, this is so cute. Very sassy. It's mysterious. Like, you can see stuff, but you can't see too much stuff. But I really like it. I think I might have to get this one a 10. This is super cute. It's like super sexy, dainty, and like classy at the same time because it's not like too much. And all I have to do is throw on some good thigh-high boots with this. Oh my god, it's so cute. So what do you think? I'm thinking a 10. I think this might be the one. We still have a few more to go through, but this one's really cute. So we're gonna go ahead and move to the next costume. So, of course, if you were ever a little girl and you used to watch Disney World at nighttime. You know, I am Minnie Mouse. This outfit was a job to get into, and I'm sure it's gonna be a job to get out of, but I think it is so cute. This is so adorable. I found my mini ears that I got from Disney World when I went with my boyfriend for my birthday like 2 years ago. So I was like, this will be so perfect to go together. But this is so cute. It's like a corset in a tutu, and like it fits so good. It's so cute. Like, I really like this one. It was a struggle bus, me trying to put this in or put this on and get in it. I'm gonna have to go ahead and rate this one like an 8. I know. I wish it really would have came with the ears for like people who get this outfit and they don't have like Minnie Mouse ears. I really like this outfit, but y'all, it is going to be a job getting out of this. I already can tell, but it is super cute. I probably wouldn't wear this like on actual Halloween, but I do think like this is a cute little like party outfit, like amongst friends or like hosting a party or something like that. I would do that, but this is not like a Halloween you go out type of thing. Like, you want to be in it and you want to get out of it. But I really like it. This size is a medium. One thing that I do like though about the corset is that you can loosen it up. It was very tight. Like, I could not even close it, but I love the design of it. I love like these little floral, it's not even floral, but like how they designed the ribbon around the rim of like the blue part for the corset is so cute. And I love like how the tutu, it kind of just like flares out. So like, I don't know, this one, I might have to rate it a 9 now that I think about it, because this is really cute. It could be a 10. I might have to rate this one a 10. Because it's like, it's so well thought. Like, I feel so cute and like so snug. Like, I feel like if Minnie was to see me, she would be like, you did that, you know? I like this one. So I think I'm gonna rate this one a 10. I was giving it an 8 because of the work that I had to put in to get inside of it, but I think it's really cute. So you gotta tell me what you think. I do have one more, and then we are done. So let me go ahead and switch out, and let me go check on my man Mickey Mouse. So this one is giving me sexy bat. I believe I'm supposed to be a bat or like Batwoman. I don't even know if they've ever had a Batwoman, but this is what this outfit is giving me. It comes with a really cute cape, which I really kind of like. I love the leather like feel, like it's so cute. Like, I love the onesie. I feel like this outfit particularly is kind of similar to the Maleficent outfit, just without the actual what is it called? Like a headpiece, basically, like Maleficent's like headpiece that she had. Easy. This is so sexy. I feel like you can really switch it up. So if I wanted to be like Maleficent and grab the ears, or if I wanted to be a bat, or I just wanted to get like a cute little black mask and just wear this outfit just because, I don't know. But as far as rating, I might have to rate this one like a clean 9. Like, it's sexy and everything. However, you know, I feel a little exposed, you know what I mean? Like, it's sexy, it's really cute, and I like the fact that you can really dress it up. So this one might have to be, I might keep it at a 9. Yeah, like I could throw some thigh-high boots on here. I can get me like the little Batman. Oh, I could be Batwoman, or a black Batwoman. This is it, y'all. Y'all gotta let me know, what was your favorite outfit out of all the outfits that I tried on? You guys have to tell me what you think your favorite outfit is. Give me the ratings. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you guys have not already, go ahead and check out my previous videos so that you can catch up. And stay tuned because we are doing fun stuff all October. Halloween is approaching, so I want to give y'all all the ideas. So